So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start monetizing even with a little followers. You don't need to have much followers to start monetizing. I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first money on social media and everything. The reason why I wanted to record this video because I was on a call with someone from Twitter. Dude has like 900 followers and he was explaining to me that he can't start monetizing because he don't have enough followers. I was like, I signed my first $1,000 client when I had 120 followers. Like, you have 900 followers, what are you talking about? It doesn't matter how many followers you have, you just need to know how to leverage them and actually how to get clients. So let's just dive straight into it. The first thing is that you can just start leveraging your followers. So if you don't have enough followers, this strategy works for people that don't have enough followers. But if you have some followers, you can start leveraging it. What you can do is just put out some posts. So you can just do a post, for example, on Twitter saying, hey, I have a few slots for my coaching, or I have a few slots for my email marketing, ghostwriting, copywriting, whatever. Just pick some skill that you are good at. Actually, yeah, before I am even doing this, before I will even go over how to actually monetize it, I want to go with you like what you should actually sell. Just to pick a skill you are good at. Doesn't matter what it is, just pick a skill you are good at, or just pick a skill you want to learn it and then start selling it. Doesn't matter what it is. You can be coaching some sport, you can be selling some digital product, or it can be any service that is out there. And yeah, now let's go over the ways on how to actually monetize it. So first thing is that you can monetize it through followers. So you can put out some posts saying that you want to work with some people, blah blah blah. So this is for post. Another thing you can do, for example, on Instagram, stories are pretty good. So you can just pick out a story saying exactly the same thing you would say like on a Twitter post or something like that. Then some videos, you can sell it in the videos, and yeah. But for this, you usually need to have some kind of audience, some followers to do that. But I want to show you how to do it without that. So next thing you can do, otherwise than leveraging your followers, is outreach. In outreach, you can also leverage your followers, but you can use outreach even if you don't have enough followers, and it works exactly the same way as if you would have enough followers. So how to actually do it? There are two ways on how to actually do it. You don't need to have enough followers to do it, but the first one is just go through your followers. If you have some, if you don't, doesn't matter. You can use call outreach, but for warm outreach, you can go just through your followers and open some of the profiles that are following you and just message every single one of them with your offer. It's easy as that. Or you can go through the people that are engaging with you. Just go through people that just followed you, that liked your post, or that are commenting. Just you can open all of them, text them. They are already engaging with you. They already know you. There is a bigger chance that they will actually buy from you. This is the first way. I can show it here in a diagram. So as I said, you need to yes, niche, service, blah blah blah. Here you can it doesn't need to be service, it can be product or coaching, then some offer. And here for the outreach, it's either warm list or cold list. So this was actually warm list. Those are all the people that know you, following you, liking your post. And you can do it on any social media. You can also do it on Instagram. I don't know, you will just go to the notifications. You can see that somebody followed you. You can go to his profile and just message him. As that. I just showed you the way how to do it if you have some audience, some followers, some people are engaging with you. But right now, I will show you how to actually do it without any followers and without audience and without anything, just straight cold outreach. So let's jump into it. So on Twitter, you can do this really easily. You don't have to go to the notifications. You can go and just choose a person that is in your niche, and people that are following that person can be your potential clients. So for example, you can go on Iman right here. You can check out the post he have. I will show you after this on other platforms, but let's go Twitter right now. You can just pick a tweet that you think is relevant for you and just go through all of the people right here. So just boom, 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 boom. Message every one of them, boom, boom. Message every one of them. And yeah, that's for it. Just message every one of them, send them the message, hey, are you open for a chat? I have this offer, blah, blah, blah. So this is what you do on Twitter. Just go through other people's followings. On Instagram, you can do the similar thing. For example, you can go also to Iman, go through his followers. This is one thing. Another thing, for example, you are targeting fitness coaches, as I showed here. You can just go and go to the search bar and go fitness coach. You will see so many fitness coaches, or you can go with I don't know, mindset coach, or whatever. You can just search it right here, and or marketing agencies, whatever, people that tag themselves. For example, with fitness coach, you can go here through the hashtags, or here you can see the people that have it in their bio, or you can just message all the people that tag themselves in this hashtag. That's on Instagram. On Facebook, it's pretty similar, but it's with the groups. For example, you're targeting online coaches, then you will just go search online coach and you will go through the groups. It's the easiest way. So you will go through the groups, join some groups. After you have joined, you will go here to people and you will start sending messages to those people. So you will just add someone, go here, message him, and you will go, hey, their name, are you open for a chat? You will just copy it and paste it there, doesn't matter. And then once they respond, you can go with some qualifying questions, send them the offer. Easy. You can do it for 50 people right here on Twitter. You can do it even if 200 people per day, 300 people. Just if you have time, go and do it. And on LinkedIn, same thing. You can use groups, you can use emails, easy stuff. If you don't know what to actually send to those people, check out my free outreach course. I have it here on YouTube. I actually thought that I will only let people that are in my program to see it, but then I said to myself that I can give it out to free. So it's on my YouTube. It's 5 videos where I am explaining how to do outreach, how to get responses, how to book calls with it, what to say to people. So this is just right here. This is indirect outreach. So we will just go with short opener, some qualifying questions. Then you pitch them. Pretty easy stuff. Nothing hard to do.